Time to take a look at the markets and Friday's USDA numbers with Bryce Knorr of Farm Futures. Good morning, Bryce.
Well, good morning, Mick.
So your reaction on the report today?
Well, it was the numbers overall were bearish. The market focused on the acreage, particularly with that big corn acreage number, almost 97.4 million acres of corn, 77.7 million acres of soybeans, and even found more winter wheat acres, offsetting a drop in spring wheat and durum acres. That's really where the market focused on. The grain stocks numbers were actually a little friendly, showing lower than expected June 1st inventories, but the market knows that old crop supplies are tight. More and more they're focusing on those new crop numbers, and that's why we saw the market sell off so heavily, especially for corn.
All right, well, how are we doing first off this morning?
Well, we're still seeing some selling in the December corn contract. That's down 4 1/4, 5.06 3/4. Beans trying to steady now. The November contract being helped by that red-hot July contract, making a new high for the year and trying to take out its contract high just above $16.
How long is it going to take to work last Friday's report out of or through the market?
I think we'll probably do that this week. It's a holiday-shortened week. We have a half day of trading on Wednesday, so we'll probably focus on that more next week. And when we really look at the weather for the pollination window, the forecast will start to give us a peek into how that's shaping up. And unless we have threatening weather, there's really no reason for these markets to rally.
Okay, and again, just double checking, of course, no market on Thursday because of the 4th, and Friday?
Friday, we have a full day of trading.
Okay, very good. All right. Turning to livestock, give us a little summary of how it was pretty good for the livestock market, for feeders, especially on Friday.
Right. Of course, the big news on Friday for the livestock trade was the hogs and pig report. Came in pretty much as expected, showed at least a little increase in the size of the hog herd. And also, I think what that livestock market focusing now on is increased production due to cheaper feed costs, and particularly in the hog market, an idea that a seasonal top is in.
Excellent. Bryce, thank you so much. Have a great week and a great 4th of July.
You bet.
You bet. Bryce Knorr, Farm Futures and farmfutures.com.